First order system. First order system says the S power is 1. So the system will be called first order system. Got it? Input is reference. So the letter is R. Output is controlled output. So the letter representation is C. Input which is given to the order of transient response 1 by tau is. Okay. The name having some explanation. That explanation shows or mention the power of this S. S power can have 1. So this system will be called as a first order system. Every system having input and output. That means exactly what I'm saying is every system or every block having reference input and produce a controlled output. So that system will be a closed loop system. Okay. In first order system with representation of this closed loop system, both system can correlated by the manner as screen. One second, Naveen. Okay. Next, this black diagram having to reduce the representation of reduction of black diagram. Okay. If we will approach the black diagram reduction, we must to solve the transfer function of this block. So what is the transfer function formula? Kindly recall the transfer function formula. Laplace transform of output by Laplace transform of input with zero initial condition. So can be applicable across here. Here the output is C of S, input is R of S. So we make that equation C of S by R of S equal to 1 by tau S plus 1. Because here no feedback is connected. The feedback is 1. So what is the formula? If we want to reduce the negative feedback loop, because here is negative sign, this loop is negative. If we want to reduce the negative feedback loop, we make the formula G by 1 plus opponent sign of what they had placed here. Okay, 1 plus 1 by tau S. So we take the LCM for this 1 by tau S by tau S plus 1 by tau S. So you may strike out numerator tau S and denominator tau S. We will got 1 by tau S plus 1. This is very familiar to all of us. Okay. Next, R of S equal to 1 by S. Why I put here step it if the first order system is adapted with step input or reference input, the system going to meet out R of S equal to 1 by S. So you just recollect or rearrange those sentences. So C of S equal to 1 by tau S plus 1. This R of S going to reach right hand side R of S. So you just put or replace this R of S equal to 1 by S. Okay. This equation can included the mathematical condition of partial fraction equations. So 1 by S minus 1 by this tau come out from this brackets. So tau is outside of bracket. S plus 1 by tau. Okay. Next, this equations making to inverse Laplace transform. Finally, we got C of t equal to, if you are taking Laplace equation, you just put S. If you are taking inverse Laplace equation for Laplace equation, you will put t. Instead of S, you will put t. Okay, C of t equal to 1 minus e power minus t by tau. This is first order system time constant. So C of tau equal to, we have to solve e power minus t by tau. The value is 0.37, 1 minus 0.37. Okay. Finally, we will got 0.6